you are stepping outside your home and you feel that as if you are in a oven, right? So this has become a reality for majority of Indians these days because heat waves have become more intense, more longer and more stronger than they used to be earlier. So what is a heat wave? As per the IMD, that's Indian Meteorological Department, heat waves can be considered as the temperatures are significantly more higher, or we can say more warmer above the normal temperature that used to be there for a region, right? Or if the maximum temperature of a region has crossed the threshold limits. It is different for plainer regions and the areas. But what is more important, that these heat wave events have become very, very frequent in these days. The reason being, of course, less green spaces, urbanization, and then we have global warming and climate change, and of course, the urban heat island that we have just discussed, whereby we say that the urban areas are comparatively more warmer than the adjacent or the surrounding rural areas. और ये क्यों होता है urban heat island? Because of course, urban areas में less green space है, tree cover कम है. Then we have dark roof surfaces. For example, the surfaces are made of concrete, asphalt, which are the materials which trap more heat and they release the heat during the night time. Now, why these heat waves are dangerous? Of course, a prolonged exposure to these heat waves can lead to what? It can lead to heat strokes, it can lead to dehydration, it can cause severe mortalities and severe diseases can be there among specifically the vulnerable